In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Vercel Marketplace. To get started, head over to Vercel and make sure you're signed into the account where you manage your projects. This is the main place where you can connect useful third-party tools to your Vercel workflow. So if you build and deploy apps regularly, the marketplace can save you a lot of setup time. Once you're on Vercel, look for the integration section. This is where Vercel organizes tools and services that can connect directly to your projects. Clicking into integrations brings you closer to the marketplace, where you'll be able to browse available providers and choose the one that fits your needs. From there, click Browse Marketplace. This opens the full catalog of integrations you can install. The marketplace includes tools for things like authentication, databases, analytics, and more. In this example, you can select a provider such as Supabase, Clerk, or PostHog. Each of these serves a different purpose, so choose the one that matches what you want to add to your project. After opening the integration you want, click Install. At this point, Vercel will ask you to choose the team or personal account you want to associate with the tool. This part is important because the integration will be connected at that account level, and that determines which projects can use it. If you work across multiple teams, take an extra second here to make sure you're installing it in the correct place. Next, follow the on-screen prompts from the provider. Depending on the integration, you may be asked to create a new account or resource, or you may be able to connect an existing one. Just go through the setup carefully and review each screen before continuing. The exact options may vary slightly based on the provider you selected, but the process is usually very guided and straightforward. Once the resource has been provisioned, you'll be asked which Vercel projects should have access to the integration. This step gives you control over where the tool is used, which is especially helpful if only certain apps need access. After you choose the relevant projects, Vercel will automatically inject the required credentials as environment variables into those projects. That automatic environment variable setup is one of the biggest advantages of using the marketplace because it reduces manual configuration and helps avoid mistakes. After that, your integration is connected and ready to use inside the selected projects. If needed, you can always come back later to adjust project access or review the integration settings from your Vercel dashboard.